Yeah, give me a warm-up rhythm there. Let me just give them a look at Encore. Yeah. Chop! Selassie. Give them some lyrics on the back. What? Hey! Report them teeth like them not shocking blood today. No way. I'm at the train station, waiting for the Zion train. Hey, report them teeth like them not shocking blood today. I'm at the train station, waiting for the Zion train. I owe them wanna come and mess up on no brain. Them say one thing that I show them can't maintain. Them say fuck the world, but when them I just say, oh this is my land, oh this is my place. I'm born on me earth when they up in this day. Remember Jah give me shelter time. Boy, Jah is trying to show us a way out of Babylon. You're running, 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 running like a marathon. Take it to chakra and kill on ourselves. Your negativity is not for our health. The weak mind living life for some welcome. Feel left out and it can't get out. The strong man, pure knowledge of Babylon. You take it away, that's another man. Another man now, another you guys. Prison you can't trick it and cloud by his eyes. All who needs to die. But me see true, Ras Sempah. Them a move, oh them a move so. Yeah, cha 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 cha. Keep it running on, keep it running on. Yo, please don't listen to the story that them teach me. Just like the slaves, every day them a beat me. Mentally and physically, you know see that them a cheat me. What sense you make fi have license for me TV? So when them knock me down the dead, they yes me sleeping. All me dog a bark, every day them just a creeping. If you know your rights, them can't come and creep. So let me tell you something, free mind is a game. Yes, and me feel it in my chest. Me can't hear nothing and me feel the half of this. Me can't believe we pay for live and pay for death. So that it no matter if we're alive or dead. Yeah, wow, wow, yeah, 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 yeah. Are you feeling the vibes, Hootananny? Na 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 na. Yo, wicked man drop people are here, check the scout, removing the justice of my people's minds with our mouth. We don't need no coffee, like they're sent with clout. Iron lion, we not till the dragon scout. The herb dog longer, we preparing for a joust. I love off jail lights, I mean I know I want to Faust. If Babylon fall, Jah people will rise. Preach with the scout, and it's time to fly. Give me a one drop. Hey, boy, give them a one drop for the one now. Because me a lion from Zion, you don't see the man. Alright then. Fans man, give me a one drop. Yeah, come on, a lion from Zion, tougher than iron. No boy can come this thick. Red, green and gold, no pink. What you think? Never fresh my look. Me never stink. Them boy, them fizzy. Wah. Drink bad wine, cause them a touch you. What you think? No talent make you AJ and sing. Ryan song. Cha 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 cha. So prepare yourself, my people. Just prepare yourself. It's them that them try to trick. What? Vampire deserve a lightning stick in them heart. vibrations. Feel it. Let the music take you away. When we say real sounds, we mean real sounds. We want us and the listeners too to listen to the sounds. People. Yo, thanks for having us. Safe journeys home, Rastafari.
Oh, I tell you, truly royal sounds. Oh, you mean tough. Hey, drumming. Yo, shake the hand, cause you're skillful like that. Yeah, make some nice royal sounds. Come on, let me hear you more than that. Them skillful, I tell you. Them full of skill. I don't know, so that's how we do it in our live music here every Thursday. The whole thing turn up. Don't go away, we have some more roots rock reggae music for you. So we're gonna play some music and make you dance off your foot bottom, you see it? So you don't know, that's how the thing set. So right now, we're gonna give you and hand you over to Jah Revelation music. Are you ready for some roots rock reggae music out there? Oh, listen to that, oh gosh. And I'll make it more nice again as per usual. Me say, are you ready for Jah Revelation music? Alright, we have to work with that. Run some tune, Father Cecil. Oh, you mean, turn it up. Oh, you mean, trooper?
Yeah. Also, blessed love to each and everyone inside the